Momentum is the property of an object that is related to how much force is needed to change its motion. And from that, we get the equation momentum equals mass times velocity. Because we already have an m as an abbreviation, we need to use p for momentum. And you can see the units. Velocity always has to be meters per second. Mass always has to be kilograms. And then momentum is actually kilograms times meters per second. So you may see a word problem like this. What is the momentum of a car with a mass of 1,300 kilograms traveling at a speed of 28 meters per second? The first thing we have to do is identify the variables down the side. And when we do that, we see we are missing momentum. Next, we can just plug the numbers into our equation. So P equals 1,300 times 28. And when we multiply those two, we get 36,400 kilograms times meters per second. Don't forget the full unit. Another example is a baseball is thrown by a pitcher that has a momentum of 6 kilograms times meters per second. If the baseball's mass is 0.15 kilograms, what is the baseball's speed? When we write our variables down the left side, we find that we are missing velocity. When we plug our numbers into the equation, we see we get 6 equals 0.15 v. And now the goal is to get the v by itself. And once we do that, we get 40 meters per second. Remember, when you divide a number by a decimal, you actually get a larger number. And this actually brings us to the law of conservation of momentum, which states the momentum of an object doesn't change unless its mass, velocity, or both change, which should make sense to us considering the equation. However, momentum can be transferred from one object to another, like when you are playing pool.